have to really find the gap, and we have to make sense of our idea, our research question, and then is it do we really need to conduct this kind of research that we have to convince, right? Like convince the community, something like that. It's really difficult for me as well.
Yes, I think so. I remember when I studied PhD at Suranari University in Korat, and some of my classmates spent about 3 to 4 years to complete the literature review. I'm not sure because they are lazy or because it is difficult, or I'm not sure, but it costs them a lot of time. But after they complete the literature review, they pass the literature review, and then they go to other section faster. The method, because the method, what we did, we just describe it, the steps we are doing. And when we have the result, the result sometimes we present, but it doesn't mean that the result is easy. I remember I have for my PhD thesis, I have 5 research questions. When I completed 4 research questions, question 2, 3, 4, 5, all the interpretation, discussion, but for the first research question, I did not know what to do because of the measure. If we just tell the number, it doesn't make sense. So I have to think a lot, and it cost me, I think, about 1 year until I on the way I go I across the river, and then I suddenly something like the light come to my mind. Say, oh really? I found it, and then I complete the discussion for that result of the first research question, and after that I submitted. It doesn't mean that like something on the sky come to your mind, but I mean that I keep thinking about it, long time reading. So when we read a lot, we think a lot, and then we will find a way. Yeah. So discussion is also a problem. That's not just literature review, but the literature review is the biggest. But the literature review difficult, but make sense, make significant of your study. As I explained already, like the research gap. If you don't review, you don't find the research gap. But if you find the research gap, then the level of your research gap makes the significance of your study. Okay, you want to share me with your studies? The very terrible question, if I ask you, graduate student, is that, have you completed? Have you finished? Have you finished? The most sufferable question.
Yes, I received a signal from Ajahn Ali. Would you like to ask a question?
Yeah, I just wanted to thank Professor Ho, especially for accepting our offer to be our guest speaker this afternoon for our online forums. Of course, we still have more time in case, the rest are planning to ask more questions or give comments. But yeah, especially, like as it was mentioned by Prof. Ho here, definitely patience is the key in the publication process. Yeah, and also, I guess Prof. Ho briefly told us at the beginning of this online forum saying that he's actually planning to visit our school by the end of May and the beginning of June, if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah, looking forward to meeting you in person, Prof. Ho, together with your graduate students. And hopefully we can, talk further in terms of the publication and other matters, between our students and also your students. Thank you very much.
Okay, Thank you very much. Thank you for your time, for your patience to listen to me. And it takes a rather long time. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I send the PowerPoint to the chat section already. So you, if you need it, you can download it.
Sure. One more thing, Prof. Oh, yeah, we will still be in touch, especially like regarding your plan to visit our school here in KMUTT. I will email you, especially in terms of the accommodation for your students.
Yeah.
Again. Yeah, we will be in touch.
Yeah.
Thank you very much again.
Sure. Thank you very much. Okay. See you.
Okay, thank you so much everyone for coming, and we hope to see you again soon in May นะครับ
Okay. See you. ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you. Thank you.
Come on, Professor.
Thank you ขอบคุณครับ